Hey, what's up everybody? Another video here from Mr. Auto Guy. Just want to let you guys know that my name is Mr. Auto Guy, but I am not an auto mechanic. I am a DIYer, okay? And I do stuff on my car as needed, so I don't make videos, you know, 2-3 times a week. When there's a problem with my car, I'll make a video, and you know, that's when I work on my car, and that's when I'll do a video. Alright guys, I appreciate your patience. You know, just bear with me on the videos. I try to do as many as I can. My car doesn't break down, it doesn't have a problem, then I'm not making a video. Alright, today I'm going to be replacing this is the accelerator pedal assembly, and because it has some play in it, and the old one, this one I got from the junkyard. I got it for $8 in the junkyard. I mean, if you get a new one, it's gonna cost like 80-90 bucks for a new one, so you can't beat that, and it's in pretty good shape. I'm replacing the accelerator pedal assembly on my 2006 Kia Spectra. Alright, the reason why I'm replacing it, because there is some play in it. It's a little wobbly, like it's not firm. So and also when I go over bumps on the road, my RPMs will go up a little bit, like I guess I'm accidentally pushing down on the pedal because of it being loose. Alright, so we're going to do that now. I'm going to show you how to do it, okay? Alright guys, we're back. I'm on the driver's side here. See, we got the accelerator pedal here, and look, as I move it side to side, I'm guessing this is the problem, because when I put the car on cruise control, the RPMs don't jump up when I go over bumps. So, and my cable seems fine, so it has to be this. I mean, the only thing I could come up with. But so we got two 10mm nuts right here. We got one here. Yeah, I gotta zoom in there. Okay, you got one here, and you got one over here. All right, they're 10mm nuts. Just gonna grab my extension and my ratchet here, and I'm gonna take those two nuts off, and then we'll go on the next step. Be right back. Alright guys, got the two nuts out. Now I'm just gonna pull up on this right here. Okay. Now the cable is gonna be up top there. Let me show you on the other one. Alright, you see this one here? The cable sits in here. Sits in here with like seems to be like a grommet or something, a rubber grommet or something. I think it might be plastic, but you want to pull out on the cable a little bit. Pull out a little bit, and then pull up through the space here, and it'll come right out. All right, see that gap right there? It'll come right out. All right, just get yourself a pair of channel locks, or something, pliers, regular pliers, doesn't matter. You just want to pull on the cable and then pull it out. So you can see right here. See if you can see it. I don't know if you guys can see it, but see this right here? See this right here? Where my finger is? That's where you have to pull on it a little bit and then push up and it'll come right out. Alright? I'm gonna do that and we'll be right back. Alright guys, I pulled it out. This is the old one. Okay. Got the other one here. I don't know if I can sit it over here so you guys can see it. Alright. They're pretty much the same, except for like the pedal on the other one is a little bit bigger, but that don't matter. I mean, I got this from the junkyard. This one I got from the junkyard was from a 2008 Kia Spectra, which is fine. It'll still fit. All right, so we're gonna do the reversal removal. We're gonna put the cable in first. Just slide the cable into that gap right there, and it'll snap into place. And then we're gonna put the studs. Put this on the studs and put our nuts on, and once I get that in there we'll be right back. Okay. Alright guys, I got the nuts on. I put the cable in, put the nuts on the studs. Now I'm just gonna tighten it up and see how it feels. Alright, be right back. Alright guys, tighten up the nuts. I'm not feeling so confident about this. Still feel like a little bit of play in it. I mean, it is a little bit better than the old one, but I don't know. I'm gonna have to see if it still does it. So what I'll do is I'll make a real short video on the you know, if it worked or not. Like, I'll have to drive it and see when I go over bumps if it still does it. I'm not feeling too confident about it, but who knows. We'll have to see and test drive it and see what happens. Alright, and that's how you place the Accelerator pedal assembly on a 2006 Kia Spectra. Thanks for watching, guys. If you liked the video, please hit that like button, and for all the new watchers, you know, subscribe if you like the video, so you can see more videos when I put them out. Alright guys, thanks for watching. See you soon.